So here's I've created a blank canvas. Now I will show you how to add gradient background in Photoshop. In this left hand menu, you have to select the gradient tool first of all, and now click on this gradient style, and here you will find bunch of different gradient packages. You can go ahead and you can select any existing gradient from this folder. So let's expand this orange folder, and now from here I'm selecting this gradient, for example, and here we can see the gradient selected. Now it's time to draw or add the gradient in our canvas. So I'm adding a vertical line here, and don't release your finger from your mouse. Just click and adjust your gradient upper color just like so. Also you can rotate like this. Okay, I'm happy with this gradient, and boom, here we can see my first gradient add date. Once gradient add date, you will be able to customize your gradient in properties panel. So go to window, and here you have to enable the properties panel, and in this right hand menu you will see the properties section. Now click on this preset, and here you can also change a different presets, and here you can also change your gradient style, and you can change your gradient color angle. You can also change your gradient scale like this, and you can enable reverse option from here, and type, you can change type. You can add solid type, gradient, or noise. And method, here you will find a bunch of different methods. You can select any of them, and if you want you can also change this upper gradient color by clicking on this color box. You can select a different color. Also, to change this lower gradient color, click on this lower color box, and you can go ahead and select a different color from here. So this is how we can add gradient in Photoshop.